What's up everyone, TechCloud here, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the Steam Link, how you can connect it with your TV, and how you can pair it with your PC as well as the wireless controller and things like that. So all you have to do is connect the HDMI cable, the LAN cable, and also you have to plug in your controller. I have actually plugged in the wireless dongle, but later on I learned that the wireless dongle does not work with the Steam Link because it does not work with the Linux and it is designed for the Windows 10. And after that you have to plug in your power cable. As I said earlier, the wireless dongle does not work, that's why I saw this screen. And as you power on the Steam Link for the first time, it is going to download the few updates and it is going to update the firmware. It will restart, and when it came back, it will connect with the network and it will look for the PC. And if you haven't turned on the PC, make sure you turn on the PC and the Steam client is running on it. So if all is done properly, the Steam Link will be able to find the PC and it will give you a 4-digit pin code that you need to enter on your PC. Once you have entered the code, it will connect and you will be able to see your PC screen on the TV, as you can see over here. And if you haven't turned on the big picture mode, you will find that using the Steam is not as convenient. For example, here I actually tried to run the Witcher 3 game, but it went to the Batman and it launched the Batman Arkham game instead. So I will recommend to use the big picture mode, as you can see on your screen. Let me show you how you can connect the wireless controller. You need to stop the streaming and you will go back to the Steam Link menu. Now go to the Bluetooth devices and it will search the controller, and I have found out that actually only the PS4 controller and the Steam wireless controller will work wirelessly with the Steam Link. The Xbox One controller does not work wirelessly with the Steam Link. Here I am using the PS4 controller and I have put the PS4 controller in the pairing mode. You can switch on the pairing mode on your controller by pressing the share and the PS4 button together for a few seconds, and the LED light on the PS4 controller will start blinking. This means that it is now in the pairing mode. As you can see here, the Steam Link has detected the wireless controller. Now press A and it will connect the wireless controller as well. And here let me show you, you can see that now two controllers are connected with the Steam Link. One is through the wire, which is my Xbox One controller, and the PS4 controller is connected wirelessly. By going into the Steam Link settings, you can turn on and off the stream overlay. You can change the resolution and the maximum bitrate of the broadcasting. You can broadcast your game using the Steam Link, as you can see over here. And you can also change the resolution and the quality of the in-home streaming as well. Basically your Steam Link is streaming the game on your TV, so you can change the quality. By default it is on balanced. If you want, you can switch to the beautiful, and also you can go to the advanced setting and set up everything the way you want it. In addition, you have the web browser available to you. You can watch YouTube, Google, anything you want. You can do it on your web browser here. The YouTube works very well, and you can launch other websites as well by typing the address on the address bar on the top.
Choo TV surprise!
You can search anything on the Google using the on-screen keyboard as well, but I do recommend using mouse and keyboard separately, either wired or wireless. And this is the Steam store. You can buy and download games from the Steam store over here. This is your Steam game library, as you can see over here, and different filters are available. You can apply certain filters in order to find the games. The Steam Link does actually enable to stream the non-Steam games as well. As you can see here, this Assassin's Creed Syndicate I actually bought and used on Uplay. However, I have added this game as a non-Steam game, and as you can see, I can run this game very nicely on Steam Link, and I can stream this game on the TV using the Steam Link. That's very nice. While the game is loading, there is a little bit weird things going on, as you can see over here, but once the game loads, the experience is pretty similar to the Steam games. So let's see how a non-Steam game looks and runs on the TV using the Steam Link, and you will find that the experience is actually pretty good. I'm actually really surprised to see the performance, and I never thought it will be as good as I'm currently witnessing at the moment. If you ask me, is it same as the experience on PC, then I will say no. It is not as good as playing the game on the PC, but actually it is not bad either, and as compared to the other consoles, I think it is a better experience in a sense that the game looks beautiful, more beautiful, and it is running in 60 frames per second, while most consoles are running few games in 30 frames per second. For example, the Assassin's Creed run in 30 frames on PS4. Same is for the Witcher 3, but you will find that the Steam Link is able to run these games in 60 frames per second. Actually, it depends on your PC. My PC is pretty high-end, so it is able to run these games in actually more than 60 frames per second, but since the Steam Link is limited to 60 frames, so it is streaming all these games to 60 frames per second. The overall experience is not as seamless as the consoles, but definitely the game looks and runs better than the consoles. So if you have a high-end PC and you want to play every now and then games while you are laying down on your couch, then of course you can buy the Steam Link and play the games in that fashion. But if you ask me, I actually miss my PC while playing the game on the Steam Link as well. Although it is working very well, but somehow I miss my PC and I miss my display, the monitor with the G-Sync. The YouTube video might not be able to do the justice to the beautiful graphics that I'm currently witnessing on my TV, but take my word for it, it looks better than what I see on my TV while I'm playing similar games or same games on PS4. So now let's try some Steam game as well, and let's see how is the experience. The frame rates you can check on the bottom right corner, and you will see the games are continuously running in 60 frames per second, and you can see the graphics are really nice because everything is on ultra graphics settings. Here you can see how nice the game looks. Every graphic setting is on ultra, and the game is running in 1080p 60 frames per second, and there are no frame drops, and very nice experience. To me it is better than running on a PS4 because it has more FPS and the graphics are actually looking even better than the PS4. So in terms of convenience, it is not as good as PS4, but in terms of actually playing the game, it is I think a more better experience to me at least. But I will actually let you know more while I use the Steam Link more in coming few days. So enjoy the rest of the video, take care, and if you have liked the video, make sure you press the thumbs up button at the bottom of this video. See you. Bye.
Jim, I need you to stay focused. It's dangerous out there. Drive slow and let me deal with any trouble.
Why did I let this happen?
There's no way you could have predicted this, Jim.
It's my job to predict it as a cop and a father. The whole thing's gone down on my watch. Up ahead, we got company. Who are they?